Welcome to today's episode of Depreciation Nation. And when we were at the detail shop last Saturday, we picked up some of the Chemical Guys products here. And as we mentioned in that video, some of our cars tend to be rather nasty and crusty. And as you saw in the video, Christian helped us pick out the best value for our money spent products. And so you've got Josh's car behind me here, which has not been cleaned up at all. And so what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate a few of these products. We're going to show you how they work. We're going to allow you the opportunity to see the results for yourself. Now, one of the things that we've got here is we've got Chemical Guys Big Mouth Foam Cannon, which has been out approximately 11 days and we haven't seen any content on it yet. All we've really done ourselves is read the books about it. But what we are told is that it has a very high foam capacity production. And so we are going to use it on Josh's car here. We're going to show you the process and you're going to be able to see the results for yourself. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy the results.
Go. Bro, probably should have watched a tutorial on this.
There wasn't one.
Right.
It did an awesome job. I loved everything that we put on the car, and it did what it was made for.
The mitt felt like cashmere.
It did.
The products were the best and easiest that I've worked with. Honestly, folks, bang for the buck, best value for your dollar spent. We both were talking before this and prior to using the Chemical Guys products. We were used to using Walmart soap and a mixture of other products that we found easy to work with.
AutoZone foam cannons.
AutoZone foam cannons, yes. Highly recommend the Big Mouth foam cannon. Highly recommend all of the Chemical Guys products that we used. I assure you that you will not be disappointed because they did an absolutely amazing job on this car right here.
Absolutely.
So, thanks for joining us. I hope you liked what you saw. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification to join our nation, and we'll talk to you next time.